Today we're gonna go over how to connect Hermes to Slack, and it's very simple. So here's the documentation. If you want to look at it, here's the first command we need. So connect to the console for your Slack agent, and then first run that command, right? So you're gonna run it. It's gonna create the file. Then it tells you where that file is. It's right there, so just open it. Okay, so we're gonna run this command here to open that file, and you'll see it's a big file, so we'll just copy everything and copy everything. And I would say save it somewhere, right? So now we're gonna go through the Hermes setup gateway. We're gonna select the messaging platforms. In this case, I have a Google Chat set up here, which for some reason is not. I guess it says not configured. Oh well. Let me select Slack. Press the space bar. Press enter. Now it's gonna ask for your Slack bot token. So I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna open this in a new tab. I agree. And I already have one created. I'm gonna create a different one. Select from manifest. Select your workspace. And this is where we copy and paste the full file. And you can change the name of it here. You can also change it later. So next, create. Perfect. So now we got the app in here. So now we're gonna need the app level token, and then we're gonna need the other token. So we're gonna first create this one. It's the app level token. We actually need this one second. So Hermes YouTube, add scope, connections right, generate, copy that one. I'm just gonna copy it here. Slack app, done. And then we need the socket mode, and then the other one is in install app. Okay, so this one install to Precise Wolf Digital. Install, and then it's gonna give us the token. So this is the next token that we need. So that's that token, Slack bot token, Slack app token. That's this one here. And here's where you gotta be careful. So if you just leave this empty, it tells you can do it later, but I tried leaving it empty, or I left it empty, and it didn't work. So we're gonna get those. So to find them, you can see here, to find a member ID, click a user's name, view full profile, copy member ID. So I'm gonna go to my Slack, member ID, right, that's gonna be you. Click on yourself, then I believe click on yourself again, view full profile, and then in here click the 3 vertical dots, and it's gonna say copy member ID. So now we're gonna paste that there, and that's the user ID. And then now we need to set the channel ID as well. So right, it can be any channel, you can create a new one as well. So in here, click on the name, and we've got the channel ID here at the bottom. So set that up, restart gateway, Yes. And then you wait for that to run. Okay, cool. So that is working. So we're gonna test it here on Slack. So we should have the next one. And let's finally leave that there. And as you can see, I have the two of them in here. This is the new one. If you want to change the name, you could have done it in the JSON file here, the name. You can adjust the name there. And you can also adjust it here if you wanted to. So it would be configuration, takes you to another page, and then the bot user edit, and you can edit the name here. Web design SEO, and then you'll see that update here soon. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so let's test it. So it should be here. Be like, hey Hermes, are you there? And it should respond. Perfect, it's there. And then you can also, just like any Slack user, right? It's a Slack app. So you add a Slack app and we have a bot in there. That's the technicality. But you can also add it to another channel. So this is where you might want to keep shorter names. So I can add them. And now they'll respond here in the thread. See, they've got the thread here. So that's how you set up Slack with your Hermes. And I plan to do this so that I had different configurations, one in Google Chat, one in Discord, and they're both on their own VPS. So I'm gonna use Slack to keep all my communication with my future agents as well. I'm gonna set up more, and I think Slack is gonna help me just communicate easier, see what's going on with all the agents.